What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's James Wood. I own a shitty RX7 if you don't know. If you do know, yeah, it's pretty shitty. So, if you like the video, drop a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think about this whole process. Now we're gonna dive into it. So this video is pretty cool because we've gone from an idea in Ty's CAD, well, we've gone from an idea that Ty made in CAD to some tweaks while it was in CAD, to us printing it out, to it being on plastic, to now being a fully functional plastic prototype. So that's pretty awesome. I've never done this before. It was a fun learning experience. We've still got some tweaks to do, but continue watching the video and just see how it turns out. So I'm excited to hear what you guys think, and just let me know, drop a comment. So what's up, guys? Today is a big video because it is some progress on our wing that we've been working on since, I don't know, November, I think, in November, something like that. It's been a while. So we have some 1:1 scale cutouts of the wing. We're going to drill the holes, cut it out of I think this is basically polyurethane. It's UHMW. Don't know what that stands for, but it means something. So we're gonna get drilling, cut, and we'll see how they go.
Faded light, so smooth and heights. Your cruel mind.
All right, we got one side drilled. We got to drill the other one, then we'll start cutting.
Outside, you're crawling down.
Two hours later.
Focus. There we go. All right, kids. We got our wing mounts cut out. Here they are, roughly right. We're gonna bolt them up, see how this shit looks, and then we'll go make the bottom pieces and slap it on the car. Should be easy. There's Cat.
The next.
All right, guys, we've got our wing mounts and everything over here at the car, and we're gonna get this thing mounted up today. If this would focus, be pretty rad. Perfect. So we have some issues with this, which I'll go into. Our scaling on this pattern is wrong. It's about 4 mil off. So not all the adjustability is there. For test fitting purposes, we're just gonna basically drill out that hole and this hole and just kind of see how it fits, but it'll bolt up. We know why. When Staples printed out our 1:1 scale, it was wrong. It wasn't 1:1, so it was a little bit off, which is why that's off. And you know, it sucks and is what it is. Ty's going to print off a true 1:1 scale tomorrow at work. I'm impatient, so, and I'm trying to get this done before we go to Cape Cod on Friday. So I just want to get these bolted up on the car so we can order them and have them cut out of metal. So when we get back, they'll be ready to go. So that's our deal, and so that's just a little mistake. We have to drill those out, but we got to work on building basically our feet for this bottom mount. So we're gonna go do that, and then we'll get working on the car. So now that I have most of my bugs worked out, I'll show you guys how to do this. So here is our upright. It's mocked up in plastic. So how we ended up with that guy is some heat and some relief cuts, basically all along here, just in very small places. I've been using a wood saw because that seems to cut this pretty well. So let's get to cutting. Ty showed up, tell me I'm wrong. We have roughly a wing. So we got basically these guys done. We're now scrapping this idea. Ty, we're doing like little feet, correct? So we're scrapping the radius because it doesn't really fit well. We're gonna make it easier. But we'll throw this up on the car. You know, hold that so you kids can see. Where'd you go, Publix or Hollywood?
I went to Wally because I had to get a lot of supplies for the house. Here, hold on.
Is it decently stocked at Wally World?
No,
Oh.
it's pretty garbage. There you go.
Then I'm gonna run over to Publix. So,
Something like that once we fix the bottom.
roughly a wing.
Fix this gap.
Yeah.
What?
We'll fix it. But we're like pretty fucking close to having a wing on the car. I'm excited. Kind of cool. Made plastic prototypes. See my screw poking through yet? You see that already?
What?
On the bottom.
Where? Oh,
I misjudged where the
James Woods in here.
screw was. But no, this thing turned out like really rad. So we'll go to Cape Cod next week and hopefully we can have these things cut out while we're gone. We're gonna build a truck for you kids. We'll film some stuff up there, and we'll have a lot of truck content, and then we'll have wing content when we get back. But overall, pretty rad. What's up? Wow, it's bright outside. All right, kids. That's it for this video. So we have the wing is kind of mocked up. It works. Ty ended up printing out some true 1-to-1 scales of the uprights on his plotter at work. I have those. When I get back, we'll probably just cut them out of some plywood, kind of roughly redo the prototype again, and then send it off to get cut out of some T6 aluminum from Send Cut Send. But right now we are getting ready to fly to Boston tomorrow. So Ty and I are going up to go work on a project for about a week and hopefully drive it back down here. So I'll fill you guys in more on that in the next video when we get up to Cape Cod, and that's about it. So let me know what you guys think about the wing. Drop a comment, give me your thoughts, your opinions, whatever. Tell me what you think. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you to Nine Lives Racing for helping with this whole setup. Thank you to, obviously, Handsome Tyler for making this work and designing those things, and we'll see you next time. Peace.